Morning. She's coming. See you later.
Growing up, I never let many guys in, but when I met you, I knew. A couple years passed and I started realizing there would be no just me and you. Until one summer night, when I was sat by your side, my feelings came rushing through. Yeah, on that one summer night.
Is that how they swim with those little...
Yeah, I think so.
Look at them just ready for something to drop and then they'll be like... That's what I mean.
You want to take one finger, stroking very gently, just down the arm of the starfish.
It's quite spiky.
So it's quite a long way down, so you've got to keep going all the way. It's a lot further down than it looks, isn't it? Can you reach it? Turn on!
Am I in too deep? Have I fallen too hard? Just hoping you don't break the promises you made at the start. Am I losing sleep? Has this gone too far? All I really know is you're the one who stole